Okay. Lamai, there are three main reasons for increase in opportunity cost, right? Number one is Ismin Lama, you know that increase in opportunity cost is reflected by PPC curve, which is concave to the origin, right? So this increase in opportunity cost is caused by mainly three reasons, sorry, right? Increase in opportunity cost is mainly caused by three reasons. Number one, factors of production are not homogeneous. It means that my factors of production are heterogeneous, right? Heterogeneous means different, okay? For factors of production or resources which are used to produce one good cannot be used to produce another good as it is. Productivity is different. Example lamai, worker or employee working in a paddy field cannot be utilized for a garment factory producing textile or something, okay, with same productivity, different lamai, right? So resources are normally heterogeneous, homogeneous. So this is one of factors affecting increase in opportunity cost. Or in other words, we can say lamai, to the PPC curve is concave to origin, right? This factor, I mean, when factors of production are not homogeneous, I mean heterogeneous, okay, it makes PPC curve concave to origin. Remember, okay. Second one is lamai, different level of. Second one is a different level of efficiencies among alternative production, right? Efficiency is different. You can read it. When a factors of production is employed or an alternative production, that particular production level of inefficiency among alternative productions. Resources might be more suitable for one production of one good. They may not be best suited for the production of other good. Best example is this farmer's story, right? So third one is lamai, production techniques vary in the production of goods and services. Lamai, production, every product has or every good has certain production techniques. Okay, these production techniques are different to product. Example, production techniques which are used in paddy industry or tea industry cannot be utilized for maybe heavy manufacturing industry, maybe textiles, maybe vehicles, cars, right? So because production techniques are different, okay, the way of producing cars and the way of producing textiles are totally different, okay. So because of these reasons lamai, increase in opportunity cost takes place, causing your PPC curve to be concave to origin. Is that clear lamai? Okay, anything, any issue Buta? Hello, any issue? Sitpa, can you hear me? Okay, good. Right, let's do some questions for this increase in and constant opportunity cost, right? Right. A-level question. This is 2023 paper question. Give a try, Puta. I'll give 5 minutes. Lakshan, if you feel uncomfortable or something complicated, okay, you can leave the question without attempting the question. Okay. If you can, you can give a try. Sigma and Sandil Remoni. I need an answer from you.
Recording in progress.
And send me answers, Remoni and Sandil and Sigma. It's bit difficult, Lamai. Okay, but it's okay. It's okay to, because you're not perfect, Lamai. Do mistakes. If there are some mistakes, okay, no issue. The mistakes will be corrected by your teacher. If you don't do mistakes, Lamai, there is a problem. Because I can't recognize whether you're correct or wrong. Is that clear? So the making mistake is good than being silent. Second part, good. Sigma and Sandil. Sandil, fifth one. Okay, good. And how did you get Sigma? Yeah, what is the doubt? Sigma, fifth or fourth one? Okay, good. Let's look at the question. Right. three components, 3 points on the production possibilities curve of a certain country that produces only two goods, X and Y, are given below. Lamai, what are the two products? X and Y. Okay. There are three combinations, A, B, C, product combinations. According to this production possibilities data, it can be concluded that, okay, it means it's asking what is the correct statement, Lamai. Okay, what the correct statement is. Resources of this country are homogeneous. The combination of 3 units of X and 9 units of Y is attainable. Can you draw a small production possibility curve for this data? Can you draw a small production possibility curve for this table? Hurry up, Lamai, okay? I'm doing some additional effort too. I want you to understand this one without any mistake. Right. Point X and Y. X and Y. Here, Lamai, how does X production changes? And here Y. You can see, Lamai, when Y production is 0 units, X production is 3 units. This is point A. Right? Then you can see when Y production increases by 1 unit, sorry, 3 units. Now Y production is 3 units. When Y production is 3 units, X production falls to 2 units. Is that clear, Lamai? This is point B. Okay. You can see when Y production rises by 3 units, when Y production rises by 3 units, X production falls by 1 unit. Okay. And there is another point called C. At point C, Lamai, X production 0, Y production 9. You can see Y production here, when coming from 3B to C point, Y production rises by 6 units, Lamai. Y production rises by 6 units. X production falls by 2 units. Here, Lamai, there should be a hidden point, right? Point which has not been given, right? Here, Lamai, you can see Y production rises by 3 by 3. Okay, to increase Y production by 3 units, economy has to give up X production by 1 unit. Is that clear? Here, Lamai, there should be a hidden point. Okay, it means, Lamai, when Y production is 6 units, X production should be 1 unit. Is that clear or not? Sitma?
Clear, sir?
Clear. Here, Lamai, one point is hidden. You can see production when Y production rises by 3 units, X production falls by 1 unit. right? And then you can imagine, Lamai, there should be a point, one point here, the missing point, right? The miss point is when Y production is 6 units, Lamai, X production should be 1 unit. Clear or not? Remoni? Clear. Or else you can draw a PPC curve, Lamai. Draw a PPC curve for this data, Lamai. Hurry up, honey. Draw a production possibility curve on a scale and look at the shape of the graph. Linear, wonderful. PPC, good. Others, Lama, you can draw PPC line for this table. PPC curve would be, right? Lama, X production, Y product. When X production increases by 1, 2, 3, Y production increases by 3, 6, 9. Okay, X production falls. Example, when Y is 0, X production 3 units. This is the point A. Right? Then B, when Y is 3 units. When Y is 3 units, X is 2 units. This is point B. Lamai, this point is not given. But you have been given third point. When Y production is 9 units, Lamai, X production 0. Here is the point. This is point C. You can see the one point is missing, Lamai, this point. Okay. This point, it means this when Y production is 6 units, Lamai, economy can produce only 1 unit of X. This point has not been given, Lamai. You have to assume. Okay. Or else you can draw just using 3 points, A, B, C, then production possibility curve would be linear, Lamai. Linear, right? This is PPC curve. Is that clear, Buddha? The best way is to draw the PPC curve, right? Now, my question is, PPC is linear. Sigma, tell me, what is the opportunity cost which is represented by this PPC curve? Lamai, curve is a straight line. What is the nature of opportunity cost? Sandil, Remoni.
Sir,
Yes, if PPC curve is linear or straight line, Lamai, opportunity cost should be constant. Right? It means, Lamai, this economy is experiencing constant opportunity cost. How do you recognize that? How do you say that economy is experiencing constant opportunity cost? Because PPC curve is linear. PPC curve is a straight line. So no doubt, Lamai, opportunity cost should be constant. Lamai, if opportunity cost is constant, factors of production should be, tell me, Lamai, homogeneous or heterogeneous? Homogeneous or heterogeneous? What are the factors for or what are the reasons for constant opportunity cost, Lamai? Tell me. Hurry up. What are the reasons? If I share the screen. Can you see the screen, Lamai? These are the factors, Lamai. Sandil, can you see the screen? right? If PPC curve is a straight line, Lamai, remember factors of production should be homogeneous. Then what is the answer, Lamai? Remoni? What is the answer? First one is the rule. And the resources of this economy are homogeneous. Do you agree or not, Sitma?
Agree.
Agree. Then answer should be plus one, Lamai. Who said second one? Sandil said second one, right? Or fifth one?
Fifth one.
Fifth one is wrong. Look at it. The opportunity cost of producing good X is decreases. No. Opportunity cost is constant. How do you say that opportunity cost is constant? Because PPC is a straight line. How do you say PPC is a straight line? After drawing graph, you can see the curve is a straight line. Is that clear? Fifth one is wrong. If opportunity cost is decrease in Lamai, PPC curve should be convex to origin. Sitma, your answer is first answer
4 or 5.
4. Opportunity cost of producing X increases. No, Lamai. හරිද opportunity cost එක increase වෙනවා නම් PPC curve එක concave to origin වෙන්න ඕනි. දැන් concave to origin ද නෑ straight line එකක්. fourth එකත් වැරදි fifth එකත් වැරදි. Second one third one කොහොමත් අවුල් ළමයි. first එක තමයි answer එක. Answer is first one. If you have any doubt please let me know. Anything? Any issue ළමයි?
No, sir.
No. Do 2021 paper question also is a simple one.
Fourth one.
Yes, production possibilities are frontiers are linear. Linear means straight line. The reason is yes, Lamai. Because of if opportunity cost is constant, PPC curve should be linear. Answer is fourth one. Simple. And do this one as well. Lamai, any other the alternative answers? Premoni, Sandil. Answer for second question, 2021 paper question, it should be fourth one because of constant opportunity cost. Are you okay? Last one, give a try, Lamai, 2019 A-level MCQ. Hurry up. Only this one. Yes, sir, good. 2019 A-level. 1, 200 units. Remoni? Remoni? 200. Okay, good. Lakshan, can you give an answer if you, I don't know. Do you have any idea, Buddha? No, ne? No. Okay, good. Right. Lamai, this is 2019 one. Two thousand and nineteen one, you are given a graph, Lamai, small graph. What are the goods, Lamai? Good Y and good X. Lamai, this is PPC, which is concave to origin, showing increase in opportunity cost, right? This is production possibility curve. There are three values, 100, 200, and 300, right? Here, production is 800 units, right? And 200, 400. Now I assume this is point X, no, point A. Point A. Now question is, what is the quantity of good X given up to produce quantity of good Y? Now, look at this point, Laman. At point A, right, at point A, X production, Y production, right? At point A, Lamai, at point A, X production 100 units. 100 X, look at A, and X production 100 units, Y production 800 units. Y production 800 units, right? Lamai, now economy is producing 100 units of X at point A. If this economy does not produce any single X unit, it means if X is 0, if X is 0, sigma, how many units of Y can be produced? If X was 0, yeah, if X was 0, production of Y would be sigma.
800.
It's not given, ne? Wait. What is the quantity of good X given up to produce quantity of good Y? Quantity of good X given up to produce quantity of good. Yeah. Here you can see, Lamai, to produce this 800 units simple, ne? No need this one. To produce this 800 units of Y, economy has to give up this is mean 200 units of X. 200 units of X. Yes. Okay. Because of this 800 units of Y, economy can't produce this 300 units of X. Right? They are only producing 100 units. Right? Maximum production of X is 300, but unfortunately, now they are producing 100 units of X. The reason is 200 units have been given up to produce 800 units of Y. Any issue, Puta? Answer should be 200. Answer should be 200. Right, it's correct. Any doubt? Any doubt? No, neither am I. Right. Shall we move to the tune? Take your tune. Sigma, do you have the PPC tube with upper tube? Yes, neither.
Which tutor?
Press one. I mean, this PPC Introduction to Economics press tube.
Yes, I have.
Can you send it to this group or this Lakshan?
Okay, sir.
If you have, otherwise it's okay.
No, I have it.
Okay. Lakshan, tube is, yeah. Good, thank you. Sitma has already sent the tune to the WhatsApp group. No, not the WhatsApp group, this group, so meeting group. You can download it. Did you see it? Oh, okay, good. Right. Right. Look at your page number. Wait. This is the tube for pressed lesson. We are in production possibility curve, Lamai. Okay, I think 20-30% finish. Constant okay, increase in okay. This is the point, Lamai, page number 29. Okay, we should start page number 29. What is a point, Lamai? Representing microeconomic, sorry, yes, representing some economic concept on PPC. Lamai, I have already sent another tube, not the tube, actually it's additional explanations, right? Additional explanations to your WhatsApp group. To your WhatsApp group. This one. Practical application of PPC. This one. Right. Okay, Lamai. practical application of PPC. Right, I'll read it. Practical lamai, PPC means, production possibility curve means, is a graph. Very simple graph showing maximum production of two goods if all resources are fully utilized with maximum efficiency. Okay, it's nothing else, Lama. It's just a graph. Okay, showing some production combinations of two goods. Right, that is a meaning of production possibility curve. Lamai, why we learn this production possibility curve lesson? Right, because we can use production possibility curve for explaining some economic concepts, complicated economic concepts very easily, Lamai. Is that clear? Example, Lamai, economic growth. Economic growth is one of main economic concepts. Okay, rather than explaining what economic growth is and how does it occur and everything, you can show the economic growth on a PPC, Lamai. Right, then someone can understand, okay, economy is growing. Okay, instead of saying 1,000 words about economic growth, Lamai, you can just show the economic growth on a PPC. Very clear way. Right, that is the main purpose of using PPC. Why do we have a model called PPC, Lamai? The reason is, remember, we can explain some economic concepts, right? Some complicated economic concepts using PPC curve very easy. Is that clear? So that is the main the advantage of making production possibility curve. Right? Can you read this point? First one. An economic model. PPC is one of economic models. Huh? Economic model is a simplification of a complex reality. If you can highlight it, Lamai. Economic model is a simplification of a complex reality. What does it mean, Lamai? We use economic models such as PPC and other graphs to simplify some complex reality. Okay, with control variable and required assumptions. Can you remember, Lamai? What are the assumptions, Sitma, when drawing PPC curve? What are the assumptions we make?
Resource environment is constant.
Lamai, why do we?
Remain
Yes,
constant.
very good. Yeah, very good. Why do we make these assumptions, Lamai? What is the purpose? This is the purpose. I think yesterday I told you. With control variables and required assumptions, right? We make 4 assumptions when drawing PPC curve. The reason is, Lamai, to simplify the complex reality. Reality is so complicated, complex, right? To make it easy, we can use assumptions. Is that clear? Then in the same token, the PPC means PPM in PPC is commonly used graphically to represent and illustrate range of, highlight Lamai, graphically represent and illustrate a range of different real world micro and macroeconomic concepts. Right? Real world micro and macroeconomic concepts. Right? My point is, Lamai, we can explain some complex micro and macroeconomic concepts using a PPC curve. Okay. Next one, Lamai. Generally, a PPC concave to origin is used for this purpose. Right. Look at the board. PPC is a PPC production possibility curve. The graph showing maximum production is an economic model. Is an economic model. Okay, we use economic models to simplification of complex reality, right? To simplify some complex reality. Okay, so what I need to say, production possibility curve is also used to explain some micro and macroeconomic concepts. Easy way. Okay, that's why the practical application of PPC, right? Why do we make a PPC? Why do we draw a PPC? This is a reason. What is the main purpose? We can show some macro and microeconomic concepts on PPC. Okay, right. And it helps us to explain these micro and macroeconomic concepts to someone else very easy. That is the point. Right. It's mean my PPC is used to show some microeconomic concepts and also macroeconomic concepts. Today I'm going to discuss Lamai what are the microeconomic concepts which are shown by PPC. Lamai number one is scarcity. Scarcity. Right. Lamai, we have learned about the scarcity, right? There are so many points regarding the scarcity. It's like a 6-7 page note, but you can just explain what is mean by scarcity using a small PPC diagram. Okay. Second one is Lamai, alternative uses and choices. Alternative uses and choices. Other one, opportunity cost. Other one, opportunity cost. Other one, opportunity cost. Right? These are microeconomic concepts which can be shown on a PPC diagram. These are microeconomic concepts. Microeconomic concepts. Right? You should know how scarcity is shown by a PPC. You should know how to show alternative uses and choices on PPC and also opportunity cost on PPC. Actually, you know how to calculate opportunity cost using production possibility curve. We can just discuss it. Okay, let's move to press one, Lamai. What is press one? Scarcity. Daru, how to show a scarcity on a PPC? Something like that you might have learned school.
Drawing a point inside the
It's simple, Lamai. I'll share the screen. Right, these are the microeconomic concepts: scarcity, alternative uses, and problem of choice, and also opportunity cost. Today we are going to discuss this part, Lamai. Right, my main purpose is to discuss microeconomic concepts which can be shown on a PPC curve. Right, these are the points. Right, number one, Lamai, next week we can discuss this macroeconomic application, okay, of PPC. Right, first one, Lamai, scarcity. Remember, Lamai, scarcity is shown by any point outside the PPC curve. Right? The scarcity is a main economic problem, can be shown by any point outside the production possibility curve. Remember, if you see any point, Lamai, beyond the production possibility curve or outside the production possibility curve, it means, Lamai, it's a scarcity. Is that clear, Lamai? Sigma, look at this diagram. What are the points on the PPC? Look at this diagram in page number 2.
Production combinations.
Yeah, in this diagram, what are the letters showing A,
B and
B,
C.
C? These production combinations are on the line, Lamai. Can this economy achieve these 3 points, Sigma, A, B, C?
Yes.
Yes, Lamai. Remember, yes. And also X. X is inside the curve. Both X, A, B, C. Lamai, points inside the curve and points on the curve can be achieved. But remember, Sigma, can you see the point outside the curve? What is the point?
Y.
Which is Y. Remember, Lamai, this economy is not able to achieve this point Y. Why? What is the reason, Lamai?
Scarcity.
Scarcity resources are not enough, Lamai. Is that clear? Remember, scarcity is shown by any point which is outside the production possibility curve, right? Logic is, Lamai, an economy can achieve, I'll erase this now. These two goods are, assume X good and Y good. X good and Y good. Remember, Lamai, this is the production possibility curve. Production possibility curve shows the maximum production limit, Lamai. This is the maximum limit that economy can achieve. Okay, economy is not able to go beyond that, Lamai, right? Using your all resources, economy can achieve this level. This is the maximum production level. This line shows the maximum amount of capacity, production capacity, right? So, but what I need to say, Lamai, economy can achieve any point inside the curve and also, Lamai, any point on the curve, right? X, A, B, C. Economy can achieve point X, which is inside the curve. Economy can achieve point B, which is on the curve. Economy can achieve point B, which is on the curve. Economy can achieve point C, which also on the curve. But remember, Lamai, this point Y is outside the curve. Remember, this point is unattainable. Unattainable means economy is not able to achieve. The reason is, Lamai, the present resource stock is not enough. Is that clear? This is the maximum level that economy can go achieve. Y is an unattainable point because economy does not have enough resources to achieve point Y. It means scarcity. Remember, scarcity is shown by any point which is outside the production possibility curve. Is that clear or not? Clear the Lamai? Remoni? Lakshan? Did you get it? Even a small idea?
Yes, sir.
Read it, Lamai. Scarcity as considered as the fundamental economic problem. Highlight where limited or finite resources are insufficient to produce goods and services to satisfy all human needs and wants. That's a definition of scarcity. Second one, the PPC shows all different combination of two goods that can be produced in an economy when resources and technology are fully and efficiency employed. Although, this is important, huh? Although the points inside and on the PPC are achievable. They are attainable points, lamai. We can achieve them. We can achieve them. The points that are located, highlight lamai, outside the curve, such as point Y, is unattainable due to scarcity. Sorry, due to resource constraint. Thus, scarcity is shown by any point that lies outside the PPC curve. Clear the lamai? Clear or not? Okay. Then you are tuned lamai. You can write it down. Page number 30. Write down this diagram. And after that, you have given this lines lamai to explain how to show scarcity on your diagram. Lamai, Lakshan, it's better to take printouts, huh? Draw this curve inside the box given. This curve. What are the two products here, Sitma? Wine and or you can take a screenshot and you can complete it later. What is your approach? Do you need to time to complete or okay, guys, what are you doing? Remoni? Sitma? Are you there, Lamai? Sleeping? Are you taking a small nap? Sitma? Sure. Okay. Alamai, are you writing this down? Oh, what are you doing? Please tell me. I got it printed. No, Sitma. In your printed tube, there's a space. Ne? Can you see that? Look at this. No graph given and space is there. Who completes this space? That's what I'm asking. Right? This node should be there. Did you get the point? This node should be there. Curve should be coming in the box and not after the box. Remoni, what are you doing? Shall we move to next part or do you need more time? No one is talking, Lamai. Done. We'll move, sir. Done. Good. Right. Next one is showing alternative uses. Lamai, previous topic, remember this point. Scarcity is shown by any point that lies outside the PPC. Remember? This is so like that. Remember, scarcity is shown by any point that lies outside the PPC curve. Right. Next one, Lamai, alternative uses. Alternative uses.
So both alternative users and choice is same, no?
If there are alternative uses, you have to make a choice. Clear? What A level එකට subject streams 4ක් තිබුණ හින්දා වාට එකක් තෝරන්න ඕන. If you have alternative uses, you have to make a choice. Is that clear? Clear, Daru? Is it okay? Very simple, Lamai. Can you remember this flow, Sigma? Scarcity, first one. Scarcity, resources are limited, right? Then what happens? If resources are limited, we have to make a choice. If you choose one alternative, other alternatives have to be given up. Given up. Okay. Then opportunity cost takes place. Opportunity cost takes place. Clear? Now, we have already shown scarcity on a PPC curve. Now we are going to show the alternative uses. Remember, this choice is caused by scarcity and alternative uses. Scarcity and alternative uses. Clear? Lamai, these are the alternative uses. This economy can produce on point A. Or else, but one of them point B or point C. Right? When you come to A-level classes, Lama, you have 5 options. Okay. Commerce subjects, art subjects, and tech stream, math science, 5 streams there. These are the alternative uses, options you have. Okay. Likewise, this economy has 3 options on the PPC, A, B, or C. A, B, C points show the different alternatives, different options. Example, assume point A, X production, Y production. You can see at point A, X production, assume Lamai 100 units. Y production, 500 units. Right? Economy can produce or choose point A if they want. or point B. If they produce point B, lamai, at point B, or assume X production 150, Y production 300. Okay. If you decide to work on point B, you can produce 150 units of X and 300 units of Y. Or else economy can work on point C. At point C, lamai, assume X production 200, Y production 400. These are the alternative options, lamai, as your subject streams, commerce, art, maths. But we have to choose one of them. Clear, lamai. Remember, all points on the production possibility curve or inside the production possibility curve show the alternative uses. Is that clear? But economy has to make a choice. It means economy has to choose one of them. They can't produce these all points A, B, C. Remember, they have to make a choice among points, production combinations. Is that clear? Any issue? Sitma? Lakshan? Remoni? No, good. Right, I'll share the screen. You can see alternative uses of resources are reflected by all points on the PPC, all points on the PPC, right? In my diagram, there are 3 points on the PPC. All these 3 points show the different alternatives. Next one, alternative uses in production naturally with most resources means that an economy move from one product combination to another point on PPC. It means they have to choose one of them. Is that clear? In URT Utlamai, you should show scarcity, alternative uses, and choice on one diagram. It's okay, Lamai. Right? Take a screenshot of this. This is a note for like additional some notes for alternative uses. Okay, the Lamai. Take a screenshot. You can say point A, B, C are the different alternative uses of production combinations. Next one, choice. Now, Sitma, we are going to discuss the point of choice. You can see choice is the ability of consumer or producer to decide which good or service or resources to use scarce resources on one alternative than other. Okay. Thus, a choice means that one alternative is chosen, right? Thus, choice means that one alternative is selected over another. One alternative is chosen or selected over another. In the present of scarcity, people simply cannot have everything they want. Thus, choices must be made on how to allocate resources. Example, when you come to A level, you can't do all subjects. You have to choose one of them. Then now you have already chosen commerce stream or art stream or whatever. That's a choice, right? On the production possibility curve, this economy has 2 points, A and B. But economy cannot achieve both A and B. Okay, then economy has to choose one of them, A or B. Is that clear? You can say at point A, Wood production 20, bread production 500. 500 units of bread. B, 250 units of wood and 250 units of bread. Economy has to choose one of them, not all. If one point is selected, lamai, opportunity cost takes place, right? Opportunity cost comes or takes place. You can see according to the above PPC, this economy has to decide one of the points on PPC because presence of a scarcity. Clear the line. You can show more, all concept scarcity, alternative uses, and choice on one diagram. Right, look at the board. I'll explain all concepts on one diagram. Simple, Lamai. This is the production possibility curve. Good X, good Y. This is the production possibility curve, PPC, right? This is the maximum production limit that economy can achieve. Okay. Then how to show the scarcity, Lamai? How to show the concept of a scarcity? Any point outside the curve. Example, this point Y. Okay. Point Y shows the scarcity because economy is not able to achieve point Y because of scarcity. So you can say point Y shows the concept of scarcity. Concept of scarcity. Clear? Then these are the alternative uses. Assume economy has three options, A, B, C. These points are alternative options. Then you can say, Lamai, point A, B, C shows, ABC show alternative uses. Alternative uses of resources. Now I told you that economy has to choose one of them, Lamai. If they choose point Z, it's a choice. Is that clear? Assume point C. Economy has decided choose point A. Point C. Now economy has already chosen or selected one of points on the curve. It's a choice. Is that clear? If there's a choice, Lamai, opportunity cost takes place. Example, I'll assign some values. It's better. Assume at point B, hello? Sipper, hello, can you hear me, Puta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Okay, now opportunity cost takes place when moving from one point to another point. Example, assume now economy is working at point B. At B, assume X production 50 units, Y production 100 units. Point X goods, Y goods. Point XY. At point A, at point B, at point B, X production 50. Y production, point B, X production 50, Y production 100. Right? But now economy wants to move from point B to C. Point B to C. You can see when moving from B to C, Lamai, X production increases up to 120 units. Y production falls up to 80. Now you can see, Lamai, when moving from one point to another on production possibility curve, both are on the production possibility curve. When moving from B to C, X production rises. When X production increases, Lamai, what happens to Y production? Falls. It means, Lamai, opportunity cost takes place, right? This is the opportunity cost. Okay. When moving from B to C, economy has to give up. Economy has to give up. Give up how many units, Lamai, Sitma? When moving from B to C, economy has to give up or reduce Y production by 20 units. Economy has to give up Y production. Y production by 20 units. 20 units to increase the production of X by how many units, Lamai? 70 units. 70 units. Then you can say, Lamai, opportunity cost of producing 70 units, 70 additional units. Additional units of X is to produce 70 additional unit of X, economy has to give up, Lamai, 20 units of Y. This is called opportunity cost of this 70 units, right? Opportunity cost of producing 70 additional units of X is 20 units of Y. 20 units of Y, which are given up. Right? This is summary of the lesson, Lamai. Any point outside the PPC curve shows the scarcity. Different points on the production possibility curve illustrate alternative uses. Then economy has to choose one of them. Other one is, Lamai, opportunity cost is shown by a movement, or when you are moving from one point to another point on the PPC, you have to give up units of one product, right? Giving up mean, Lamai, opportunity cost takes place. Any issue? Any issue? Any issue? Sigma? Let me write this down,
No,
I
sir.
think. No. Remoni and Lakshan. Daru මොන හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න.
So in
Sometime
the book,
tute.
no, so in the book, what you?
Use the book, ne? It's better. Lamai, these three concepts are interconnected. Scarcity, choice, and opportunity cost. Okay.
So is it okay to write this in the tube?
Yeah, it's okay. Here, Lamai, I think this is the point. Okay. Look at this. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you see the screen? Sure.
No, sir.
No. Board is okay. I'm asking screen.
No,
Right.
sir.
Yeah. Now it's okay, I think.
Yes, sir.
Here, my point is that this is the topic, right? Scarcity alternative choice can be shown on one diagram. Example, you can draw one diagram for three concepts. PPC curve inside this box. What are the three? Then you can say X goods, Y goods. Okay. And there are 3 points. How to show scarcity, Sandil? Any point outside the curve. Assume this is point M. M shows the scarcity. Clear? Now, next one, choice alternative users. Or for alternative users, you can mark 3 points on the PPC. 1 point, another point, and another point. What are the points? You can name like X, Y, Z. No, A, B, C. If you want, you can use any letter. It's okay. A, B, C. Clear? Then you can right? Sorry, this one should be inside the table box. Then in this space, you can say point B, sorry, M shows the scarcity because economy is not able to achieve point M. Then you can see A, B, C are alternative uses. Economy has 3 options. Then you can say Lamai, final point, economy has to choose one of them. Okay, this is you can use this space after the box for that point. Here you can explain 3 points. Then next, is that clear, Buddha? Yeah, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then opportunity cost. Right, opportunity cost. When showing opportunity cost, you can draw a PPC like this. How to show the opportunity cost, Lamai? When moving from one point to another point on the PPC. Right, assume this is the, you can draw this diagram, Lamai, the diagram which is on the board, my whiteboard. Or else you can use this part, this node, as it is on the space lamai. Node for opportunity cost. Graph first, then this small explanation. Lamai, I have made a different node because there are some spaces on your tube, Lamai. It's online class. So when you are completing or when you're filling these spaces, you can use this node that I have already prepared. Clear the lamai? This curve crust, I'm talking about this space, right? There's a box there. Inside the box, you can draw this curve, this one. This one. Okay. Then there's a space lamai after the curve. Then you can use this node. Opportunity cost is defined as sacrifice when moving from one point to another point on the production possibility curve. Opportunity cost arises like that. Sitma, are you okay?
Okay, sir.
You can see, look at this diagram, Lamai, the screen. When Y production increases from 60 to 95, X production falls from 90 to 40. It means when moving from point A to B, opportunity cost takes place. මහා ලොකු දෙයක් නෑ ළමයි opportunity cost කියන්නේ මොකක් හරි එක product එක production එක increase කරනකොට අනිත් පැත්තෙන් reduce කරන්න වෙනවා. මේ reduce කරන the number of units which have to be reduced. It's called opportunity cost ළමයි. Here to increase production of Y by 35 units, X production has to be decreased by 50 units. So opportunity cost takes place. Opportunity cost is 40 units of X, which need to be given up to produce 35 units of additional units of Y. Lamai, do you have past papers? No. Done. Good. Past papers, Lamai? We can do 2014 paper question, Lamai. What did you say, Sidma? All equal lesson one past paper question set have. That's the set I. Yes. Yes. Yeah. You have that, ne? Can you share or can you share the PDF file? I can't remember. When did I send it, Sidma? Your group the puta. Can you share it? Did I send your personal number or group? Personal number. Printed one. It's difficult to find. Yeah, I got it, Lama. I'll send to the group. Right, I have already sent your group, Lama, common group. You can get 2014 paper question. I'll share the screen. Okay, 2004, all past papers given, Lama. You can do them at home. 2014. 14 second paper questions. 15, 14 at the Lama. Oh my God. Oh, table. Oh, one question missing, Daru. Oh, shit. No, Lama, it's not in on the tute. 2014. Give me 1 minute, I'll send a photo. That. Right, I'll send it, Lamai. Okay, I have just sent the photo to your group. This is 2014 paper. Question number 2, subpart 4. Did everyone get it? Sigma? No?
Got it, sir.
Okay. Remoni and Sandil, did you get the photo?
Yes.
Okay, right. Give a try, Lamai. The combination of goods X and Y, which can be produced in an economy under the given technology with the full utilization of existing resources, are given in the table, following table. Product combinations, unit of X, unit of Y. First one, calculate the opportunity cost between different product combinations, A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F of this economy. How many marks given, Lamai? Only 2 marks. Right, table given, Lamai, product combination. I'll put point, point, units of X, units of Y. Units of Y. Okay, the Lamai. Point A, point B. At point A, X production 0, Y production 150. At point B, X production 20, Y production 140 units. Lamai, question is asking you to calculate opportunity cost point to point. Ne? Press 1, A to B. Look at the board, Lamai. A to B. A to B. What is the equation for calculating opportunity cost? Sigma. Opportunity cost equals number of units.
Number of units given up.
Tell me, Lamai.
Over number of units
Opportunity
into
cost equals number of units given up. Number of units given up divided by number of units gain. Number of units gain. When moving from A to B, Lamai, X production rises. It means number of units gain is X. X production rises. To increase X production, Lamai, economy has to decrease Y production. So number of units given up is Y, Lamai. Delta Y divided by delta X. right? This is the equation. Because when moving from A to B, lamai, X rises, Y falls. Yeah, fourth part, huh? Fourth part. Okay, the lamai. Then you can calculate opportunity cost. When moving from A to B, Y production falls by how many units lamai? 150, 140. 10 units neither. 10 units. X production rises by 20 units. X production rises by 20 units. So when moving from A to B, lamai, 10 units given up from Y divided by X production increases by 20 units. This is reduces, this is increased by X rises by 20 units. Then 10 over 20 mean lamai 0.5 Y. Okay, this is the opportunity cost. That's very simple lamai. Economy has to give up 0.5 units of Y to increase X production by 1 unit lamai. That's it. Any issue lamai? Now calculate opportunity cost when moving from B to C. B to C. Remember how to calculate opportunity cost. Equation is number of units given up over number of units produced. When you are moving from one point to another point, you should be able to recognize what is the product, the production of which production reduces and which production rises. If you, in the same question, Lama, if you move from B to A, then this equation changes. Remoni, are you okay? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then calculate opportunity cost when moving from B to C. B to C. B to C. Opportunity cost when moving from B to C. Opportunity cost from B to C equals when moving from B to C, lamai. At point C, X production 40, Y production 125. Okay, the lamai. How to calculate opportunity cost? Delta Y over delta X. When moving from B to C, what happens, lamai? X production rises by 20 units. It means economy increases X production by 20 units. So number of units gained when moving from B to C is 20 units of X. To increase the production of X by 20 units, economy has to give up production of Y by how many units, Lamai Sitma? By how many units does economy have to reduce the Y production? Difference between 140 and 120 by simple lamai 15 units neither. 15 units. Right? Economy has to give up 15 units of Y. Now 15 units of Y divided by 20 units of X. Tell me the answer. Remoni, 15 over 20. Use calculator lamai, it's okay. 3, 4 means 0.75 ne the lamai. Isn't it? 0.75. 0.75 Y, yeah? 0.75 Y. Right. Likewise, you can calculate opportunity cost when moving from C to D as well? Send me answers, Lamai, for other points. Very simple, neither. Sigma, can you tell me? No, Sandeep. I asked all questions from Sigma. Sandeep, can you tell me what is the type of opportunity cost does this economy experience? There are three types, Nilamai. Constant, increasing, decreasing. What is the nature of opportunity cost of this economy? Does it have increase in opportunity cost, decrease in opportunity cost, or constant opportunity cost? මං අහන්නේ දරුවෝ මේ ඉකොනොමි එකට ඔයාලට මේ graph එක බැලුවට පස්සේ ඔයාලට පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕන opportunity cost එක මොකක්ද කියලා කියන්න. හරිද? ඒකයින් දැන් තුනයිනේ තියෙන්නේ අපේ ගාව එක්ක එක increasing වෙන්න ඕන. එහෙම නැත්නම් decreasing opportunity cost එකක් වෙන්න ඕන. එහෙමත් නැත්නම් ඒක මේ constant එකක් වෙන්න ඕන. මම අහන්නේ මේ opportunity cost එක ඔයා කැල් කරාම ඔයාලට පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕන කියන්න ආසර් මේ ඉකොනොමි එකේ තියෙන්නේ increase in opportunity cost එකක් නැත්නම් decrease in එකක් නැත්නම් constant මම ඒක අහන්නේ.
Constant.
ඇයි ඔයා constant කියන්නේ? මොකද්ද logic එක දරුවෝ? Why do you say that economy has a constant opportunity cost? Sigma, which type of opportunity cost does this economy experience?
Increasing opportunity cost.
Why do you say it's increasing?
It's increasing. Number of units given up is increasing.
Increasing. Okay. Remoni,
Increasing.
why do you say is it increasing, Pudha? What is the reason behind that? What's the logic? ඇයි ඔයා increase in opportunity cost කියලා කියන්නේ? සන්දීල් මෙතන තියෙන්නේ දරුවෝ increase in opportunity cost එකක්. ළමයි දැන් පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ ඒක අල්ලන්න. ඇයි increase in opportunity cost කියලා කියන්නේ? constant opportunity cost වල සන්දීල් X production එක increase කරනකොට 20 units වලින් අනිත් product එකෙන් කොහොමද decrease කරන්න ඕනනේ? ඒ decrease කරන්න ඕනි ගාන equal ළමයි. ඒක තමයි constant opportunity cost කියන්නේ. increase in opportunity cost වල වෙන්නේ එක product එකක production එක equal quantities වලින් increase කරනකොට අනෙක් පැත්තේ production එක ළමයි decrease කරන්න වෙන ගාන එන්න වැඩි වෙනවා. හරිද? දැන් බලන්න A ඉඳලා B වලට යනකොට 20x additional 20x produce කරන්න y 10 give up කරන්න ඕන අතාරින්න ඕන. B ඉඳලා C වලට යනකොට same 20 units ළමයි. Again economy increases X production by 20 units. When increasing X production by 20 units, now ළමයි 10 units are not enough. Economy has to give up 15 units ළමයි. Sandil, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
දැන් බලන්න C ඉඳලා D වලට යනකොට C ඉඳලා D වලට යද්දි බලන්න D X production 60 මේ බලන්න X production 20 වලින් increase කරන්න. හැබැයි මෙතන දැන් 15 උත් මදි නේද ළමයි? 125 105. How much the reduction? 20 units. ආම් බලන්න ළමයි. First point එකේ 10 units, second එකේ 15, third එකේ 20 units. Increase in opportunity cost. Gradually it increases ළමයි. Or else you can use this opportunity cost ළමයි. This is the slope of the curve. First one 0.5. Second point එක 0.75. මෙතන ඊළඟ එක තවත් වැඩි. එහෙම නේද? කැල් කරන්න opportunity cost එක D to C. No, C to D. I think it would be 1. then 0.5, 0.75, 1. It gradually rises, lamai. Then it should be opportunity cost. Sorry, increase in opportunity cost. Clear the Sandil?
Yes, sir.
Without drawing a graph, you should be able to say whether economy has increase in opportunity cost or constant opportunity cost based on the table given or the opportunity cost calculated. Right, tell me, send me answers, Puta. Hurry up. ළමයි මේ නෝට් එක ගෙදර ගිහිල්ලා මුකුත් කරන්න නැතුව ඊළඟ වීක් එකේ ක්ලාස් එකට නම් එන්න එපා. හරිද? සන්දීල් වෙන වැඩ කරාට කමක් නැහැ දරුවෝ මේකට පොඩි හරි ටයිම් එකක් දාන්න නැත්නම් ඉතින් සෝරි තමයි පුතා. ටික දවසක් යනකොට. O level වගේ නම් අර එහෙම මෙහෙම කරන්න බෑ දරුවෝ. ඒක හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න. ඕනි වෙලාවක සපෝට් කරන්නම් වැඩේ කරගන්න. එන්ජොයි කරන්න එපා කියලා නෙමෙයි කරා කියන්නේ ලයිෆ් එක එන්ජොයි කරන්න. මේකට ටයිම් එකක් තියාගන්න හැබැයි. ප්ලෑන් එකක් නම් තියෙන්න ඕනි දරුවෝ නැත්නම් ඒ ලෙවල් කරන්න බෑ. නිකම් මුකුත් හම්බ වෙන්නේ නැහැ ළමයි. තේරුණාද? ක්ලාස් එකට ආවට මුකුත් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. තියරි පොයින්ට් එක ඔළුවට ගියාට පස්සේ ආය දවසක් විතර යද්දී කොහොමද අමතකයි වාට. එහෙම නේද? ටයිම් එකක් දාන්න ඕන වැඩ කර නෝට්ස් ටික පිළිවෙලට තියෙන්න ඕනි. තේරුණාද? බෝයි කෙනෙක් වුණාට කමක් නැහැ. පිළිවෙලට වැඩ කරන දේ හරියට කරන්න දරුවෝ. බාගෙට කරන්න එපා. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් කියන්නේ අපි ඕනම එකක් කරනවා නම් 100% perfectly කරන්න. නැත්තම් නොකර ඉන්න. ඔයාලා මැද ඉන්න එපා ළමයි. අර එහෙ භාගයයි මෙහෙ භාගයයි. තේරුණාද? මේක හරියටම කරන්න ළමයි. එතකොට තමයි මේකේ බෙනිෆිට් එක එන්නේ. හරි මට ආන්සර්ස් ටික දාන්න ඉක්මනට. මම A ඉඳලා B වලට කැල් කරලා තියෙනවා B ඉඳලා C වලත් කරලා තියෙනවා වාට send. වාට තව පොඩ්ඩයිනේ කැල් කරන්න තියෙන්නේ C you need to calculate opportunity cost when moving from C to D, from D to E and E to F. 3 more points. Yeah, 1.7. Yeah, good bye. Good Sigma. Wow, wonderful. It means Sigma, if you draw a PPC line, how would it be? What is the shape of this?
Concave to origin.
Concave to origin. Without drawing, you should be able to say, okay, sir, it should be curve which is concave to origin because the marginal, or we can say opportunity cost, gradually rises when production of X is increased by equal quantities. This should be, sir, this must be increase in opportunity cost, sir. No worries, like that. Okay. Right, Remoni and Lakshan වටත් පුළුවන් දැන් කැල් කරන්න. If you got +2 points, you should be able to do it. Lakshan, are you there? Oh, gone.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Can you give a try?
I will try.
Okay. ලක්ෂණවා යන්න මේ LMS එකට යන්න ගුරු නිවසේ අපි PPC වල මම මේ 4th class එක 4th day හරිද ඔක්කොම වීඩියෝස් ඇති මේ first second third එකත් එක ටියුන් එකක් ඩවුන්ලෝඩ් කරගන්න ඊට පස්සේ වීඩියෝස් ටික ඔක්කොම බලලා මේකත් බලලා පොඩි try එකක් දීලා ඊළඟ දවසේ class එකට එන්න.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can't we leave the answer in the fraction form?
It's better to give it like decimals lamai. It's okay, marks will be given. But it's better.
Okay, sir.
If you put in decimal lamai, you can recognize, you can compare, right? Whether value is increasing or decreasing. Is that clear? If you give it,
Sir?
yes.
Sir, මේ answer එක තියන්නේ negative වලින්ද?
Negative අනිවාර්යෙන් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. ඇයි? Either when x rises, y falls. So the final answer should be minus. And also y should be there, lamai. It means 0.5 units of y need to be given now. Not just 0.5. 0.5y. Marks will be given, sigma, I mean, without minus sign, but it's better to put minus sign as well. The correct answer should be lamai 0.75y. Clear? Marks will be given, it's okay, without minus. But if you forget to mention this letter y, I think marks may not be given. C to D 7.5. C to D 7.5 ද දරුවෝ. C to D 7.5 නෙමේ. Do it in your book, Puta. How to do it from C to D. C to D. Equation delta y over delta x. C to D. මෙහෙම හදන්න සද්දේ. Equations ලියලා හදන්න. Delta y when moving from C to D මේ බලන්න. C ඉඳලා D වලට යනකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? දරුවෝ x production එක increase වෙනවා by 20 units. Y production falls by 20 units. Delta y කියන්නේ දරුවෝ y වල change එක. Y වල change එක ගන්න. When moving from C to D. How many units lamai? 20 y over change in x 20. Lamai, Sandil, 20 over 20. Answer 0.75 daru. 1y. This is opportunity cost for third. Yeah, 1. Yes. Remember, it's 1. 20 over 20.
Mistaken, sir. I have wrote 15. That's it.
Yeah, 20. Take change correctly. And next one, D to E. Lakshan, can you send me the answer?
You can do it, sir.
Huh?
You can do it, sir.
Okay. Remember, Lamai, at the exam, you will not be given more time, Lamai. Remember, okay, this is 2 marks question. Okay. Yeah, when practicing questions is okay, Lamai. Take time, but gradually you should be able to reduce the time taken. Remoni, calculate opportunity cost when moving from D to E as well. C to D, okay, D to E. Hurry up, Lamaya, we have few minutes more. And Sitma, you can do second question at home. D to E, 1.75 Y Sandhi. අපි හැම වෙලාවෙම opportunity cost එක express කරන්න ළමයි the number of units of product which is given now. හරි නේද? 0.75 Y. ඒ කියන්නේ X production එක increase කරන්න Y reduce කරන්න ඕනේ. ඒ reduce කරන product එකෙන් තමයි opportunity cost එක කියන්නේ. EF උත් කැල් කරා. EF. Sitma, give a try to do second part. It's good question, lamai. 1.75 Remoni. Yeah, it's okay. 1.75. I think it should be how much, lamai? 35 divided by 20. Third one, 35 divided by 20. 1.75. Yes, good. Last one, I think 3.5y. Good. E to F 3.5y. හරි නේද ළමයි? 3.5y. And give a try. It's a wonderful question, Lamaya. Second part, part B. If you can do this, Lamaya, wow, you're a very smart guy, okay? Right, give a try of second part as well, Lamai, part B, I think. It's a different one. Read the question at home and give a try at home. Okay, before the next class. Lakshan, I want you to watch all previous videos, at least for only PPC lesson. There are 3 lessons. With this video, it will be 4. Yeah, 3, 4, 5, I don't know. Yeah, it will be 4, I think. Right? So you can watch them. You have 7 days, Lamai. Okay, and get printouts. Remoni, are you clear? Okay. Lakshan, did you get the point? Did you get what I said?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There are 3 videos I want you to watch. And if you have any clarification, Lamai, please let me know. Yeah. 3 videos there. You will be given 7 days. Right, okay, Lamai, that's enough. You can do part B of this question home. Give a try, good question. Okay, okay, Lamai, that's enough. Goodbye. Catch you next day, next week. Okay, Lamai. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, sir.